Listen to me and listen good. We are moving on to the end of the year. And if you know that you want to get monetized before the end of the year, right, that means you need to get more views. You need to be getting more subscribers. Do you understand? And even if you are already monetized, you want to be getting more earnings. And if you want to get more earnings, that means you need more views. They all go together, they are all synced, and those are the things I'm going to be explaining to you in today's video. I'm going to give you just 3 cogent points, and I want you to follow through very carefully. I also have a very important information to share in today's video. You don't want to miss it, as that could be a bonus to you. So just stay with me. Now, the very first thing I want you to do is go over to your YouTube Studio Analytics and trim out unwanted parts. Now, one thing you might not understand is the way YouTube works is when you post a particular video and then that video gets pushed out a bit, if people now start to watch that video, because that's just the way it is, once you post a particular video, it will still get pushed out. You will have some impressions. Even if the impressions are low, you will definitely have impressions. Now, what happens after your video is pushed out is what now determines whether you're going to get more views. Do you understand? Now, once you have some impressions, right, and people click on the video and then they start to watch, and at some point they start to click off, right? Especially if many people start to click off at a particular point. Sometimes you might film a particular video and you do not know that a particular part is somehow boring to your viewers. Do you understand? Or of less interest to your viewers, and at that particular point they start to, click off your video. Now, that is a very bad thing, because once they start to click off your video, YouTube sees it as though, okay, there's something that's not right here, and then it stops the rate at which YouTube pushes out your video, the rate at which YouTube recommends your videos to more people. Because the way YouTube operates is, as people are clicking on your video, it keeps pushing out your video. Remember, I've told you that what YouTube just wants, the only thing YouTube wants is for people to remain on its platform. So if your video is contributing to that, then it's good. Then YouTube is going to be pushing out your videos for more views. Do you understand? So what you want to do now is to go into your analytics and locate that particular point where people are clicking off your videos. So what you want to do is to delete that particular part. You want to cut off that particular part and then look and then observe your videos. But I'm going to give you an advice, right? So when you are cutting off that particular part, and once you are cutting off that particular part, you want to ensure that you watch your video first, to be sure that that part does not contain something that leads to another point. So that if you're cutting out a part, you're sure that you're cutting it out a part that would not now make your video look senseless, so to say. Do you understand? So you want to ensure that you're cutting out your videos in a well-defined way. Exactly, in a defined way. Now, the second thing I want you to note is you can actually get a lot of subscribers for yourself when you live stream. Now, what do I mean? Whenever you go on a person's live stream, or whenever people go on your own live stream, or if you go on a person's live stream, if you look up, right, you are going to see a place that says subscribe. It is the easiest way for anybody to subscribe to your channel. That is the easiest way. Do you understand? So once you go on your live stream, one important thing that you do not want to miss is remaining in your niche. I've told you that if you do not have a niche, what you should do is think of 2 P's. The first P is passion. What are you passionate about? What are you passionate about? Because YouTube is a long-term thing, it's a long-term journey, and sometimes it gets frustrating. So you want something that you're passionate about, so that even if some things happen, right, you'll still be able to push through, right? Because you have to be resilient if you're on YouTube. You have to be persistent if you're on YouTube. So you want something that you're passionate about. What is that talent that you have? Put it on YouTube. And the second P is profit. Whatever it is that you're doing, you want to ensure that it is profitable. So aside AdSense, aside the revenue that you get from AdSense, you want to be sure that the thing that you are going for is something that can still profit you or earn you profit in other areas. Probably you are selling some products, probably you are selling some courses, probably you are teaching people, you're having sessions with people. You want those 2 P's to define your niche. Okay, so think of it. What exactly are you passionate about, and what is the thing that can also fetch you profit? So that's what you want to dwell on, right? So now, when you are live streaming, you want to ensure that you are focused on your niche. Some people, I have seen some people who are content creators that probably do what I do. They teach you how to grow on YouTube, but when they're on their live stream, you see them talking about how they went to the market, talking about how they cooked this thing, talking about how they, please, why? What's our business with that? Do you understand? If you know that this is what you are doing on your channel, then when you're live streaming, do that same thing. Why? Because you want to ensure that the people that would hit that subscribe button, because when you're live streaming, it is a time when you can easily flow with your viewers, connect with your audience, right? So once you're connecting with them, there is every likelihood that they will subscribe. And another thing is, see, they've always said it that a closed mouth is a closed destiny. So when you are on your live stream, you know it is easy for people to subscribe. So you have to prompt them. You tell them that, if you're not subscribed and you are already on this live stream, you're already enjoying what I'm doing, do well to hit that subscribe button, because it's right there for them to see, and they will hit it and automatically they're already subscribed to your channel. Do you understand? Now, if what you are focused on when you are live streaming is also centered around your niche, it will be very easy for them to go ahead and watch your other videos, because once they are subscribed, your videos will always be pushed out to them on their subscription feed. Remember, if you are uploading your video, you want to ensure that that box that is supposed to help your videos to get published to their subscription feed, it is ticked. You want to ensure it's always ticked. Okay, so immediately you upload a video, they are going to watch and you're getting more views. You're telling them to ensure they keep watching your videos. Before I go over to my third point, which is very important and which you need to start to do, there is something that I want to show you, and I'm going to put on my glasses. Anytime I'm putting on my glasses, just know that I'm ready for business. Yes, so let's just do this. So there is this particular channel that I came across, and this channel is still a small channel, but at the same time it is doing big things. And this channel is HowTo Edu. You can see it on your screen right now. Now this is a channel that teaches a lot about digital assets and different educational guides. So if you know that you're an online entrepreneur, you're a content creator on YouTube, you want to know how to be able to navigate your way through different digital assets that will be of value to you, to your creativity, that would even help you to make more money on this YouTube street, that will help you to make money outside YouTube revenue, you need this particular channel, right? So the description says how to tutorials and educational guides, making full-time digital assets for the next generation. Now, the basic goal of this YouTube channel is to impact the lives of online entrepreneurs and creators out there with quality and valuable information and solutions to their problems. So if you are someone that you find it difficult to navigate your way through your laptop, your phones, all these things that are digital, your iPads, this particular channel is what you actually need. If we go through his videos, we can see how to repost on Facebook, how to add someone to a Telegram group, how to trade moonshots on Dex Screener, meme coins. So if you need all of this information, like, this channel is packed. You can dwell on this channel 247 and you will just keep getting value. How to find the next 100x Solana gems on Dex Screener. If you know Dex Screener, then you know that this is hot cake. Dex Screener settings for maximum Solana meme coins profits. How to use moonshot Dex Screener. Can you see how to insert text box in Google Documents? And these are things that, see, we are in the 21st century, and the way we are going, the way the world is going, if you are a novice when it comes to tech, if you're a novice when it comes to digital things, then sorry, you will not go far. And remember that one of the highest paying niches on YouTube is all these tech savvy niches. So in case you are looking to also delve into that aspect, then this particular channel is what you need to start looking at. Okay, you can see how to post videos on TikTok, how to add a table in Canva, step-by-step tutorial. We all know how important Canva is, and if you do not know, Canva is also an app that can help you to make money as long as you know how to navigate your way through it and you know how to use it. Canva can also help you with your videos, with your thumbnails, to be able to create nice things for yourself. Even if you want to create videos for other people and you're not so grounded in it, Canva is also one platform that can easily help you to create what you need. So if you're not on this particular person's channel, please don't just miss out on what we are enjoying for free. How do I get my Google Documents back to normal size? How to list your course on prompting? how to screenshot on laptop. Those of you that have been asking, how do I screenshot on laptop? In case you want to screenshot for your community tab, do you understand? Or you want to screenshot for videos. This is a very, in fact, this channel is loaded. I'm going to put the link to this channel in my description box. You guys, you want to take a moment after this particular video to check through this channel. Remember on the last video, one video I uploaded this week, I said it that the problem many people have is you watch things, right? You watch but you do not implement. That is the problem a lot of people have. You watch videos, you learn different information, but you do not implement. You just gather. You're not using what you have gathered. You're not putting it into use. Do you understand? So this is another bonus that I have given you. Go ahead to my description box, click on the link. You want to go ahead to his channel and do justice to that. Subscribe for more educational guides. Now over to my third point for getting more views and subscribers. Now, one thing many people do not understand is you can actually repost. And now, I'm not talking about reused content. You're not going to get reused content or reused content claim on your channel, okay? Now, this is the way you want to repost. Now, when you upload a particular video, one thing is some people upload that video, and once that video is uploaded, they have forgotten about it. They just move on to the next. Little do you know that once you upload a particular video, you can revisit it sometimes. It can be after 2 weeks. Go ahead, take a clip from the video, upload on your as a short. Take a particular part of that video. Look for how you can create a question surrounding that particular point in that video. Go and ask that question on your community tab. One thing I've noticed about people on this our community tab is some people just ignore this important thing. People love to answer questions on community tabs. Like, people love to answer questions, people love to vote. So you want to start putting all of those things when you are creating your post on your community tab. When you are posting on your community tab, ask questions centered around a particular point in your video. Then put in maybe answer A, answer B. Put like 2 wrong answers and 1 correct answer. Then you put the link to that particular video on that post, so that when people are trying to answer, okay, and make it somehow tricky, so that when people are trying to answer, they will be forced to go and click on that video to see the real answer, because you tell them that to watch the real answer or to get the real information as regards this question, click on this video because I explained a lot. You know, put in all of those things. Spice up your community tab. Let your community tab not just be about your birthday post. You're celebrating birthday, you're not a lifestyle vlogger, you're celebrating birthday, you put it there. You finish cooking this one, you put the picture there. You are traveling to this one, you put the picture there. And that's not what your niche is all about. If it's that is what your niche is, then please, by all means, do that. Post your food, post your travel vlogs, post everything there. But if you know that it is not, then post whatever it is that is related to what you do in your niche or your community tab, because from your community tab you're going to get many subscribers, you're going to get many viewers, in case you do not know, because people are just scrolling through it. They will just see it, they would want to answer. Do you understand? So you want to ensure you're putting these 3 things into your channel, into your videos. Start doing all of these things so that you'll be able to get more views, more subscribers, more earnings, more revenue on your channel. If you need more tips on how to grow on YouTube, you can either book for a one-on-one session with me. If you want me to go through your channel with you, book for a one-on-one session with me via Instagram. And if you need if you want to know anything about my revenue, about my YouTube channel, what the playlist on your screen right now. And if you know that you are starting a YouTube channel, we are going into 2025, and you that you're looking at me, you don't know how to edit videos yet up till now, and you want to do well in 2025, my dear, go ahead and click on the link in my description box. It will lead you to my seller store. You're going to see it, my video editing course. It's so comprehensive, so simple to understand, so easy to understand. Go ahead and get that course and start using it, start learning, so that you'll be able to edit your videos just the right way. Okay, as I would always say, do not skip my ads. If you skip my ads, whatever you see, take it. Anyways, I wish you all success on your channels, and I'll see you on my next one. If you've not liked, do well to like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video. Have you been trying some of these things? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.